Alright, so here is Prada at 2 weeks old. Her eyes are all open. She has this beautiful little white patch. Beautiful little white patch. You're so cute. Look how chunky you are. Look how much of a chunker. So they're going to start becoming a bit more active. Once they're about 3 weeks, they'll be walking around more. They'll start getting a little bit steadier on their feet, lifting up their belly more. Right now they're still kind of belly walkers. Yeah, you are so cute. Good girl. Yeah. Alright, here is Valentino at 2 weeks old. Yeah. Look at you, little big boy. You are a lover boy. You are adorable. Mr. Stud Muffin. He's a chunker. All of these babies are so fat. So chubber. Yeah, you're a little boy. Good job. Here is Versace at 2 weeks old. Oh, wow, you're precious. Look at you, cutie poo. Yeah. Yeah, you're beautiful. Look at you. That's what she looks like. Super cute. Good girl. Alrighty, here is Fendi. He is our little brown tabby boy. His stripes are so cute and distinct. He is adorable. Yeah, you're a cutie pie. Good job, little man. Good job. Here is Armani, the 5th baby we're looking at today. He is adorable. He looks like a beautiful tiny panther. Look at you, mini house panther. He doesn't have any of the white spots that Prada has, so that will be one distinctive way to tell them apart. Prada is the female and Armani is the male black one, so he doesn't seem to have any white on him. That'll make it a lot easier to tell you two apart. Oh, you are so precious. He is actually lifting up his belly pretty good right now. Look at you, good boy. You're a good walker. Oh, you are precious. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. I just wanted to show their little 2-week marker. So every week we will see how much they progress, how different they look. My goodness, I love this one. I'm always I have a soft spot for the little black ones. Oh, you're so cute. Alright, bye-bye. We'll see you later.